Good morning, students. Today I will teach you how to write an email. This English language assignment is for class 9 and 10. You will get this assignment on 15th February. So, dear children, if your question is the resident welfare association of your colony is conducting a charity drive to build a night shelter for homeless people in the open ground outside your colony. Write out a notice to be put up in the local supermarket of your colony, requesting the residents to donate money for the cause. So, dear children, as we carry forward the details of notice writing while writing an email, so it's very important to read the notice writing question carefully, because a few details are given in the notice, whereas the left out details are given in the email writing question. So let's read the question of email writing, that is, write an email to the MLA of your colony seeking his help for building the night shelter for homeless people. So now I will tell you how to apply the format to this question, and I will tell you what should be the content of email writing, how to frame a body. So first of all, you have to write the receiver's address using small letters. So that is MLA Mohali Constituency, SAS Nagar, @gmail.com, and then we are going to write the subject, which is request to extend support for organizing or building the night shelter. The night shelter. Then we will write the salutation, which is Dear Sir, and then you have to place a comma. So now we'll start writing the body of the email. A few details we are taking from the notice writing. So we'll begin like the resident welfare association of our colony is seeking your kind support, your kind support for building a. Dear children, you can either underline the key points in your answer using a pencil, or you can take a black pen in your board exam. So I will write using a red pen, that is a night shelter, single inverted comma, close, for homeless people. And now we are going to write the venue where this night shelter is going to be built or constructed, in the open ground, in the open ground outside our colony. With the help of the donations, gathered through a charity drive, by the residents of our colony, along with a generous amount from the MLA fund, of your respective constituency. The construction work is supposed to begin from 25th March 2021 from 10 to 5 p.m. every day at SBP complex apostrophe S open ground. Ground Mohali So now we'll write our closing sentence, that is, we solicit your kind support for this noble endeavor at the earliest. Then we are going to write the subscription part, that is, yours truly, faithfully, and then you're going to put a comma, and then you are going to write your own name. You cannot write ABC XYZ, otherwise you're going to lose half mark from the format. So dear children, this way you can either write the key points using a different pen, preferably a black pen, or either you can underline the keywords in your answer with the help of a pencil and a scale, so that your answer has a neat look. So hope you have understood how to write an email, and this video is going to be highly useful for you. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.